Hi everyone, welcome back to Lucid Tutorials. If you are using macOS Ventura, you might wonder how to hide and show the dock and menu bar. Whether you want a clean desktop for work or want to use your screen real estate more efficiently, hiding the dock and menu bar can help. Plus, every pixel counts if you are working on a small screen. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide and show the dock and menu bar on macOS Ventura so that you can customize your Mac to suit your needs. To hide the dock, click on the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. You may need to scroll down. Click on the desktop and dock icon in the left sidebar. Next, move your mouse pointer to the right. Click the toggle button to hide and automatically show the dock. To see the dock again, move your mouse pointer to the edge of the screen to make it visible. If you enable Animate Opening Applications, the application icon bounces in the dock when you launch it. Let's open one app and see how the icon bounces in the dock. To see which application is open, enable Show Indicators for open applications. Once it is enabled, you will see a white dot under each open application. An open application uses memory. If you think you won't be using it soon, right-click on it and select Quit to release memory and save battery power. To see recent applications in the dock, click the toggle button to turn it on. Once turned on, the recently opened application icon appears in the dock close to the trash can. When you quit it, its icon remains in the dock. The dock only shows the icons for the last 3 recent applications. These are the applications that you launched and quit. Now, if you open the 4th application, the first application icon will be replaced by the 4th one. Let's have a look. When I launched another app, the first app icon leaves the dock. However, if you want to permanently keep an application icon in the dock, drag it to the left side of the divider line. To position the dock on the left side of the screen, click on the drop-down arrow and select left. To position it on the right, select right. To change the dock size, move the size slider to the left or right. To adjust the magnification of the dock icons, move the magnification slider to the right or left. From now on, the icons magnify whenever you move the mouse cursor across them. To automatically hide and show the menu bar, click the drop-down arrow and select Always. The option on desktop only hides and shows the menu bar when you are not using an application in full screen. This is not in full screen. If you use an application in full screen, the menu bar remains visible. If you select in full screen only, the menu bar hides and shows when you are using an application in full screen. Let's enter full screen. As you can see, the menu bar hides and shows automatically. To always see the menu bar, select Never. I hope that this tutorial was helpful. If you learned something new from it, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to receive notifications of upcoming tutorials. Your support will encourage me to make more videos for you. Thank you for watching.